this website to production, I had my first bug, because when I switched the domains from my old website to the new one, like, I mean, when I pointed my current domain to my new website, I lost all of my images that were, I mean, the images were not properly loading. That's because I have none of my images, like almost none of my images are in my new website. So if you go under data, images, you can only see the small things. Also, is this hamburger SVG used actually? All right, we got carried away very quickly, right? Yes, it is being used. All right, cool. Anyway, so for example, IP manager's logo is not here. QNode's logo is not here, right? The server is not running. I've done it again. Cool. Okay. So these images, let's say, they're not in the current website. They're all linked to the old website, and the old website is still being hosted on Firebase. That means we can still grab the images from there, but if that website goes down, the images will go down with it, which is what I don't want, right? So the fix is just doing something very similar to the blog post, because like if I put all of the images in there, that means I have to refer them one by one in, where is it? Style sheet, not style sheets, home. Yeah, so I can't, that means I can't use the map function anymore because I have to give their names one by one, just like this file. So I want to put them under a folder, maybe something like, okay, you'll understand more and more as I proceed with this. Let's start with the ongoing projects, right? Did I close the other IntelliJ? Well, apparently I did. Okay, we need to copy everything from here, right? So what did we have in the ongoing projects? We have Rocky Journey, we have personal website, and what else do we have? Today's meal in Marmara. Where is it? Not ready. Well, that's probably it, right? Yeah, that's it. Not ready, Rocky Journey, personal website. Copy those three, paste them under in here. Okay, we have these files in here now. Let's go back to the blog and remember what we did there. So to feed in the blog posts, I remember that we require a function, and that function is called map file name to ID. This map file name to ID function, it grabs the oh yeah, that's another problem there. Right. Okay. I may not be able to do a lot of talking in this one because it is difficult, and explaining something and understanding something at the same time is even more difficult. Okay. And doing these in your non-native language is even more difficult. All right, but so this function has to change because this function is only accepting stuff from the blog folder now, but I'm going to be feeding file names into this from other folders inside my project now. So the best thing to do seems to be, well, we can move all of these into a separate file. We can use enums or whatever. Can we do that actually? Yeah, okay, let me try. So instead of this being markdown files, we're now gonna have file name, file array. Okay. And when I'm using this function now, file array, the file array is going to be, what is it? Blog files. By the way, I have no idea how to do this. I'm just experimenting again. That's not good. Does this mean we can't use this anymore? You know what? In these cases, you run the server. If it breaks, then you think again. If it doesn't break, then you're in the correct path. It broke. Okay, we are gonna backtrack just a little bit. What's the error, by the way? Length of undefined. Oh yeah, obviously it's undefined because, oh no, it shouldn't be. It should not be. Whoops. At least you call the function, which is a good sign, right? Oh yeah, that's why. Does it work? Yes. Hey. Yes, and this one works as well. Cool. Okay. So we are on the right track. And yeah, I think this is it. Okay, now we've done that. We also have to do the same thing for images. Ongoing projects. So where's the blog? Okay, so this is under data. Under data, what do we have? Images, we have ongoing projects. And these are PNG files. All right, all right. Okay, that's cool. Oh, you know what? I should still do a stream where I change the maximum line length to 140 or something. This like 80 is just too short. Can I? Oh, okay. Yes. Hey, yes, yes, yes. Is this it? Is this literally it? Is it this simple really? So can I just move this back now? I can't. It doesn't apply the code style. It still does the same thing. What the man? Come on. Okay, this is an IDE related thing, but I'll take a look at it later. It's not a part of this user story nor this tree. That means I'm going to create a user story for it. This is a spike. IntelliJ. ESLint. Change. Character per line autocorrect limit. By the way, my new post-its have arrived. I have this huge, super thick stack of 300 something post-it notes. So we have, yeah, this wall that I have in front of me is going to be decorated very soon. Okay, this is done. Ongoing projects is there. Right, cool. So what we need to do is we have these image links, right? So instead of giving these image links out, we are going to do the same thing that we did in the blog posts. So we're going to, oh, this is getting more and more complicated by the minute. Okay. Right, chill. So let's go to that one and projects. Where are you? There. Let's open them vertically. Right, first thing we need to do, we need to get rid of this and the Filename extensions because we don't need them anymore. Oh, see the problem? There, right now, to fix the production bug, I had to point them to my previous website. So this is where my previous website is deployed right now on Firebase. So to fix there, I had to point them there. That was a quick and easy fix, but when I want to take the old website down, that means I can't because I have a dependency on the old website, and I want to get rid of that dependency on my old website. So, and this is a very good way to do it. Well, this is the time to do it. It's not a very good way to do it. You have to do it. You have to remove your dependencies as much as possible, right? If you're less dependent, then you can move faster. Okay. So we're going to create a directory for projects. What did I just do? Okay. And let's bring, did I close the other IntelliJ instance? Yeah, I did. Right, let's bring the other pictures from the other website. This is going to take a long time. Damn it. Okay. QNote, IP Manager, no. QNote, IP Manager. What else do we have? Photosec. Well, this is the most downloaded project of mine, and I forgot the name of it. Cool. Paste. Yeah, okay. Let me check the file names and if they're the same. Okay, QNote, image link, QNote is the same, IP Manager, yep, it is the same, Photosec, yep, it is the same, including the case. Right, let me check these ones. Personal website, I think this should be capital, and I'm going to make that one capital as well. Rocky Journey, same case, and, oh, come on. Okay, okay. This is going to be Marmara. That is going to be personal website. Oh, the first letter is going to change only, right? Okay. Cool. Cool. And we are just going to duplicate this. And this is going to be just called projects. There. All right. Okay. Good. That is some progress there. Let's go to blog post and see how we handle the files. It might be the same. So let me copy these things. Right. And so okay. You're going to copy these. We're going to have these in in the projects component. Okay, this is getting more and more complicated by the minute again, which is not good, but well, you have to do it. Remove the dependencies, right? Whatever it takes, mate. Cool. Post this here. All right. So where's this coming from? Is it? Okay. Oh, it's just complaining that it's not being used. That's cool, that's cool. This is going to be image. This is going to be set image, and you're going to copy this, paste these in here. Oh, by the way, it's not going to be match anymore. It's getting more and more difficult. Come on. Okay. How do we use the blog post thing? Okay, okay. Why is it not finding it? How do I navigate to? Yeah, this is how. Okay. No, this is. I hope this takes less than 1 hour. I'm just hoping that this takes less than 1 hour, because when I figure out how it's gonna be, how it's done, then it's gonna be instant. But then these things take a long while to figure out, and like this was so complicated for me to do because it was the first time I'm doing it. Now it's the second time, but it's complicated again. What is this match? What is it? It's just the parameter, right? Oh, yeah, it is just the parameter. Then everything's much easier. I don't have to do all of these, right? I can just fetch the image somehow. Oh no, I can't. I still have to do a request. But then it's not a parameter name, it's just a file name now, right? Um, Maybe it is a file name. It is a file name. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. 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 So we are giving it a. So from the JSON file, we get a name, and using that name, we get the full file name. But I don't think we have to do that, right? All right. So, oof. Oh, we need the file ID. That's why. That's why we need to do it. Okay, I'm remembering things very slowly, and I can't explain these. Sorry, these are extremely complicated stuff. You'll just have to watch and see how I did it. Oh, I'll just explain it at the end, maybe. All right, think. First, let's start giving the argument in here. So we're going to call the same thing in here, right? We're going to, well, this is our argument now. Cut it. So what is project.blogpost? Project.blogpost is just the name of the file, right? No, where? Yeah. And if you go to data, no, where is it? blog. Yeah, it is just the file name. So it's the same thing. So this is going to be, oh no, project.image link now. And what is this? This is projects. What did I name it? Come on. Blog files projects. Yeah. Okay. Whoops, that was a bad idea to name them as projects. Project files. And we're going to do the same thing for the other projects, which is this one. I'll get rid of this one because it works. Okay. Is this imported? Yeah, it is. Right. Yeah, it just complains, but I don't think it's all right. It's fine. It's not complaining anymore. Cool. And what does this function give us? Function gives us the ID of the element, which means in the project card, yeah. But and using this ID, we don't need this. This is not going to work the first time, but I want to see the errors on the console. No errors? No errors whatsoever? Really? Okay. That only means one thing. That only means we are successfully getting the image. So if we print this out, what do we get? Readable stream. Readable stream. Okay. Fetch image react. Oh, these are images. These are images. I don't need to do this. It automatically does this for me, right? Yeah, yeah. Okay, well, 25th minute, we are done. Wow, all right, that was much easier than I thought. These are images. We don't need to get plain text. These are just images. These are just images. Oh, this is absolutely great. This is absolutely great. You don't need use effect, use react, none of that confusing stuff. Yay. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, I can't get rid of all. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Images are back. There are some more images that are missing. So data, personal skills. These are. Let me search the whole project for this string. Yeah, that's fine. Yep, this is the only area remaining, which means we can. So what do we have? Parkour. MacBook Pro mockup, and ideas something. Wall. Not ready maps, design elements. Yeah, these three should be it, right? And now if you go to data, images, and under images, we're going to create a new directory. We're going to call this directory personal skills. Oh, skills are personal. Come on, why did I name this personal skills? Did I have a skills? Yeah, I probably had a skills component, so I had to rename them personal skills. All right, whatever, fine. It's okay. Personal skills, design elements. We are going to call this, well, what? Yeah, we just call this design. What? Languages and sports, because I do sports, right? Image link. We can get rid of this now, and we can call this just sports. You're gonna call this what is it? Design. You're gonna call this This was easier than I thought. So once you do something, it just clicks, and it's way faster for you to do something for the second time rather than, yeah. Once you get through that learning curve, then and we are going to do the same thing in here, right? Okay. First of all, let me add the thing to utils. Duplicate this, next line. Personal skill images. All PNGs, right? Yeah. Well, I could merge all of these three together and then use... How do I avoid code duplication? Because this is pretty duplicated, right? I can give a string. Does JavaScript have enums? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I could probably use JSON. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a very good idea. So in here we're gonna have image folders enum. The first one's going to be um, bear with me while I do this. I know it's repetitive, but I just want to keep the code cleaner. Okay. So how do we use this thing then? Project images are going to be image files and image folders. Oh. Well, I think, yeah, this was a very good opportunity to show how I always try to deal with duplicated code. I honestly really dislike duplicated code. It just shows that you're a bad programmer. But sometimes it doesn't. There are exceptional cases, but a case like this, it just shows you're a bad programmer. And I do not want to be on that side. Well, I probably am. During these streams, I must have made so many mistakes, but at the same time, I want to keep on the good side. Well, the minor things matter, right? The things that I know of, I'm gonna fix it. The things that I don't know of, I'm hopefully my friends will warn me in the comments section on YouTube, or if you're watching the stream, I'll go through the comments at the end and then I'll read them. Anyway. So What is this? Personal skill. Why is autocorrect not helping me in this case? I'm not typing something right. Something is not right. Comma expression. Yes, something is definitely wrong. What's wrong? What's wrong? Tell me what's wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. Got this. I got this. Okay, something is still wrong. Everything is right now. Okay. Well, let's go to image experience, and then what are we going to do in image experience? We're going to do the same thing that we did the project card, so let me move this aside. Project card, where are you? Where did you go? Yeah, there you go. Yes, cool. Oh. Okay. So image source is going to be different, that's it. Where's the image? Oh, there. Not image link anymore, but this. Cool, right? Cool. Critical dependency. Require function is used in a way in which dependencies cannot be statically extracted. Ooh. Ooh. What's that? I have no idea what that means. Require function. Where's require? Oh, yeah. I see. Okay. Gonna do some Google searching now. I have no idea what that means. You know what? Let me first test the website loads. If I just want, okay, it does not load. It doesn't load. That is not cool. Webpack require context is not a function. Oh, so I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Can't do that. Let me search again. No, not this. Go back. All right. I really wanted to escape the duplicate code issue, but then maybe we cannot really do it. But I am still gonna try. So the first try is this. Let's create a mock object here. Let's copy the whole thing, paste it in here. I'm going to put this to the top of the file. And this is going to be projects. This is clever. This is clever enough. This is good enough. Yeah, this is good enough. I'll take this. Still not great, but at least it's cleaner, right? Put the comma in there. If this doesn't work, there's no option. I'm going to be duplicating code because this stream is long enough already. But I haven't given up yet. Come on. There is one React developer out there watching this stream or watching this video on YouTube in the future and being like, "This is so wrong. There must be a better there was a better way to do this." Look, I don't know. This works for me, and engineering is all about compromises, right? I have little knowledge. I have too many things to do. Yeah, I'll get the knowledge in time. Don't worry. But sorry. Or maybe I'm doing the right thing. Who knows? Okay, now what I can do is let's get rid of this. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Does this compile? The first question. Cool. It's failing at the right area, so we can fix that one. Close that one because it's open over there. Right. Okay. So image files. We do not have image files anymore. We have image folders, project, images. Just that one. Oh, that is even cleaner actually. Okay. Accidentally, we have managed to discover something even cleaner than before. Now, yeah. Let's see if this works. Drum roll. Whoops, I've copied the wrong image. That's still cool though, like that image. I remember drawing this. Do you know what this is, by the way? Oh, this is so cool. You know what this is? Did I not put the Firebase link in here? I did not put the Firebase link in here. This is the model from my previous like original OG website. I literally hand-drawn this. Wow, okay. That's very nice. I went back to the future, went back to the past like 20, not what 20, I was going to say 20 years. I'm not that old. I'm only 23 years old. Come on. Okay. Design, IP manager, mockup. Gonna open all of them. Which one was it? Yeah, that one. Design. That's it. Copy this one. Go back to here. Images, personal skills. Let's get rid of that. Paste it. Yeah, original image is back. We have cut the dependencies with the previous website. How great is that? No more dependencies whatsoever. It's like, I think we are getting to the point where we are going to start making some content changes very soon. But this stream is long enough. I'm going to create a new branch. Oh, by the way, let's take a look. Oh, that's a long list of changes. Right, yep, we did that. We've done all of those. Let me check this one. Yes, that looks good. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's okay. What else? In here, we've done all of this. Right, yeah, the rest are images anyway. Good, very good. New branch. What are we going to call this? Cool stuff. Now we have 3 branches that we are going to merge for today. So I've done 3 streams today. All of those branches are over there. Yeah, actually, I want to do this. That's very cool. I'm going to take a look at that. So let's start with the signature one. Pull request. Yeah, just merge it. Cool. Let's go back. Yeah. Only one file has changed. I know which file has changed. It's a tiny change anyway. Yeah, merge it. Okay, here comes the big one. Branches, new PR, create PR. Oh, let me see all of them. Yeah, just new line. Cool. Yes, 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 yes. All of those are right. Yeah, okay. That looks even cleaner. Come on, it's so good. I'm very happy that React just warned us that we are not doing the right thing, and we ended up with this very cool little structure over here, right? Okay. Merge it. Oh, not the profile. Right. I'm gonna take care of this README file sometime. I'll just do it offline. By the way, I'm not gonna do a stream for that. I'm not gonna write a README file in front of you. Okay. Oh. Let's do a deployment. And before we do that, we also need to, oops, no. Yep, the deployment is done. Firebase deploy. Before we do that, though, I'm just going to check if everything looks all right. At some point, I should start writing tests, but I have no idea how to write tests in React yet. Maybe I'm not even sure if you can test components individually or not. Also, I should add a bounce to this button because it would look better. Anyway. Oh. Yeah. Everything looks good. Let me change. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, I'm happy with the changes. Let's deploy. Okay. Well, this marks the end of this stream. We have done many great things today, and I'm probably going to do some README editing offline. And I'll think about what I'm going to be doing next because the backlog is growing every day. All right. Bye. Good night.